Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring fundamentals. Plug the Chromecast into the TV and the supplied wall adapter, because weak USB power often causes handshake failures. Once powered, make sure your phone and the Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi SSID. Dual band routers can hide bands, so pick one. Open Google Home, allow location and local network access, and watch for the Chromecast device tile to appear. If it doesn't show, restart the router and phone before proceeding. This clears most discovery. Now handle authentication. Restart the router, Chromecast, and your phone with a 30-second power cycle to flush caches. Then check router settings, disable AP isolation and MAC filtering, turn off guest networks, and pause any VPN or firewall apps that block local discovery. In Google Home, tap the new device, compare the 4-digit code shown on TV with your phone, and accept. If Setup SSID appears on your phone, manually join it and complete the pairing, because automatic handoff sometimes fails. Finish by allowing the Chromecast to update firmware. Updates fix many authentication bugs, so let it reboot and then name the device. Try casting from Chrome or the YouTube app to confirm success. If errors persist, perform a factory reset via the device button until the LED changes, then redo setup. This clears corrupt settings. Finally, if you still can't authenticate, test with another phone or a different router to determine whether the problem is the Chromecast, your phone, or the network equipment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.